everybody, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with rhyming today. I'm going to say 3 words and then I want you to repeat the 2 that rhyme. Here we go. Mug, tag, tug. Bed, bad, fed. Set, sat, met. Dim, hot, hymn. Sock, tack, dock. Less, hot, guess. Gum, did, hum. Hill, yell, will. Got, pat, pot. Lap, mop, cap. All right, good job. Let's move on to listening for beginning sounds. So I'm going to say 2 words and then you repeat them, and then thumbs up if they start with the same beginning sound, thumbs down if they do not. Faint, face. Good, sad. High, horse. Jump, run. Kyle, Kate. Lick, lake. Much, more. Bone, nose. Pen, paper. Weigh, rice. All right, let's get our choppers ready, and I am going to chop the onset and rhyme, and then I want you to repeat it, so then you'll chop it again, then you'll blend it. Here we go. Uck, puck, uff, cuff, un, run, mess, mess, nut, nut, l, del, neck, neck, sub, sub, wet, wet, bed, bed. Good job. All right, let's get ready to punch out our ending sounds. The first word is dress. Dress. Hit. Hit. Give. Give. Fox. Fox. Sneeze. Sneeze. Tab. Tab. pod, pod. If, same, same, fun, fun. Good job. All right, now I'm going to say a word and you are going to repeat it and then chop it. Here we go. Hop, op, box, ox, not, ought, log, og, rock, rock, fun, un, tub, tub, rug, rug, cut, cut, duck, duck. Okay, so now we're going to be getting our fists ready, and we're going to change that beginning sound. The word is deck. Change D to P. Peck. The word is peck. Change P to N. Neck. The word is neck. Change N to D. Deck. Good job. Okay, so we're going to start with our ending sound, the rhyme, and then we're going to add our onset or our beginning sound. The word is L. Add B to the beginning. Bell. The word is L. Add D to the beginning. Dell. The word is L. Add F to the beginning. Fell. The word is L. Add S to the beginning. Sell. The word is L. Add T to the beginning. Tell. Nice work. Okay, our last exercise here, we're going to remove the beginning sound. The word is Jack. Without J, the word is ack. The word is Bill. Without B, the word is ill. The word is pot. Without P, the word is ought. The word is rough. Without R, the word is uff. I almost messed up there. The word is mess. Without the word is S. Excellent job. Don't forget to practice your poem this week.